In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add phone number to your Gmail account. You can simply add a recovery phone to help keep your Gmail accounts secure in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Gmail app. On this page, tap right here on these three lines. Select the option of Settings. On the Settings page, tap on this first option right here. Select your Info, Privacy, and Security. On this page, slide onto the option of Personal Information. Scroll down into the section of Contact Info. Select the second option of Phone. Tap on Add Now. By adding your phone number, Google will send you security alerts, and you can also use your phone to reset password if forgotten. That's how easy it is to add your phone to your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.